So I left my car out in the sun all day. It's 67 degrees right now. We're gonna check inside. I left a thermometer and we're gonna see how well this DeWalt cooler works for a car. Crack this open. The vehicle that I have is a Toyota Rav4, and right now it says it's 103.1. That's pretty hot. What we're gonna do is keep all of the windows up. I'm gonna stay in the sun, and we're gonna see how much this thermostat, or this little thermometer, changes. I also have a Klein infrared scanner reader that has this little laser. I'll put a link in this down below in the description. Ultimately, we're gonna see if the DeWalt Air Cooler will cool a Toyota Rav4. So let's put it together. This battery that I'm using, DeWalt 20 volt 5 amp hour, currently reads 74. So it's 4 p.m. It is 101 degrees in the car. I'm gonna turn on the Klein tool, just catch like some cloth or something. Let's see what it reads. 98. So the back of the chairs in the car is actually reading about 98 degrees. The thermostat here in the car is reading about 101 degrees. The cooler is completely packed, 63.1, and it's going down. And we're gonna wait a little bit to see how cool this car can actually get. Down already to 100. See how long it takes. The time is 5 o'clock. It's been 15 minutes. So let's see, the thermostat reads 98 degrees. I've been having this thing full blast. Temperature outside again is about 66, 67 degrees. I'm in direct sunlight. There's no clouds above me. Air cooler going full blast. It's on number 3. The water pump is not on. That feature is not on yet. It's just straight ice. Klein test here. Spitting out about 68 degrees. The back cushion, let's do that because we did the exact same test. This reads about 90. It was about 90, I think 95 or 98. And it's dropped down a few degrees. It's going up to about probably 92. So it's cooled down a little bit, but let's turn on the water pump to see if that does anything as well. Should be flowing with some water in there. There is some ice that's melted. And you'll see my car is not on. Coming back in the car, it is reading 97.7, 16% humidity. I think that's what that is. Legit, I just shoved it in there. 55.9. Wait another 15 minutes. I'm back to see what the car's at. It is currently 5:16. I'll look to see what the temperature is outside where I live. Well, it actually says it's 71 degrees, so got a little bit warmer. And it reads 96.6 degrees. I wanted to make sure that this was in an area that wasn't in direct it was not a direct hit to the air, because then that would obviously affect what this looks like. So the results here is showing that after a half hour, the degrees only drop from, I think we started at like 100 or 101. It is now 96.4. But you can see the humidity has increased in the car. I think we were in the teens. It is now up to 26%. It's about 86 degrees. So the cooler itself is pretty warm. The ice has dropped significantly out, so there's a decent amount of liquid inside for the water pump to be circulating and cooling off those coils. While I was out, the temperature dropped a little bit, 95.9 degrees. Okay, so final thoughts. Does this DeWalt air cooler cool off your air and replace your AC unit? Absolutely not. We started in the triple digits and it is just under the triple digits. I think right now I'm looking at the thermostat, it's reading 95.7. And this thing has already been going full blast for about a half hour. What this does do, if it's pointed directly at you, it takes the edge off if you're out in the boonies, if you're on a job site and you're sweating profusely and you want just a little bit of relief, especially on your break, you point this hose at you and it's spitting anywhere from 56 to 62 degree cooled air. This thing is built for job sites and doing things outdoors, not your Tahoe. I'm going through multiple scenarios to see how well this DeWalt air cooler actually works. If you like this video, go down, hit a like, and then also check out this product down below in the description. If you want to see the full unboxing and review video, go ahead and hit this link right up here. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do so down below. Check out this product down below in the description, as well as YouTube shopping. And we'll see you the next time I test this. This thing is amazing, by the way. Good job, Klein. If you ever want to do a partnership or something, you know, that'd be cool. I think I have a bunch of your other electrical things. You do good work, Klein. Keep it up.